Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel, Cute Kittens and Puppies. Feline Declawing, the hidden pain behind avoidable mutilation. Declawing, also known as onychectomy, is a practice that many cat owners consider as a solution to prevent scratches on furniture or people. However, this surgery is not as harmless as it might seem. Far from being a simple procedure, declawing is an extremely painful and traumatic surgical intervention that has very serious physical and emotional consequences for cats. This practice consists of amputating the last phalanx of each cat's finger, which is equivalent to cutting off a part of its fingers, not just the nails. It is often misunderstood as a procedure similar to nail trimming, but it is much more invasive and damaging. It is as if a human had the tip of each finger amputated up to the first joint. The impact this has on the animal's life is devastating and often irreversible. After declawing, cats can experience intense pain for weeks, months, or even years. This pain not only affects their physical well-being, but also their emotional health. Many declawed cats develop atypical behaviors such as aggression or withdrawal. This is because chronic pain can cause frustration, anxiety, and a constant feeling of vulnerability. Declawing also affects the way cats walk. By missing the last phalanx, their posture changes completely. This can lead to joint problems such as arthritis, as the cat has to compensate for the lack of natural support on its paws. These orthopedic problems are not only painful, but they also limit their ability to move and enjoy everyday activities such as running, jumping, and playing. Declawing also compromises an essential part of feline communication. Claws are not only used for scratching or climbing, but also for marking territory and expressing emotions. When a cat loses its claws, it also loses a fundamental tool for interacting with its environment and other animals. This can lead to them feeling insecure or misunderstood, which increases the risk of behavioral problems. Some declawed cats also develop inappropriate elimination issues, such as urinating outside the litter box. This may be related to the pain they feel when trying to cover their waste with their paws, as the process of digging can be extremely painful for them. This behavior, often misinterpreted as an act of rebellion, is actually a silent cry for help that many owners fail to understand. Another worrying aspect is the vulnerability that declawed cats face. Without their claws, they lose their main defense mechanism. If they ever need to protect themselves from a predator or even other cats, they will have no way to do so. This can cause constant stress for them, especially if they have access to the outdoors or if they share their home with other animals. On a legal and ethical level, declawing has been banned in several countries due to its inherent cruelty. In some places, such as Canada and the United States, it is still allowed. But more and more veterinary and animal protection organizations are working to educate people about its dire consequences. Declawing is not a responsible or humane solution to cat cohabitation problems. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find what you're watching interesting. It lets us know that you're enjoying the content. Instead of resorting to declawing, there are much more humane and effective alternatives to managing scratching behavior. Scratching posts, for example, are an excellent tool to redirect this natural behavior. Placing several of them in different areas of the home can help the cat feel comfortable and have options to scratch without damaging furniture. Another solution is to use cat nail guards. These small silicone devices fit over the nails and prevent them from causing damage when scratching. They do not cause pain or discomfort to the cat and are a temporary alternative while the animal is being trained. In addition, it is essential to perform regular nail trims to keep them short and reduce the risk of accidental scratches. Education and patience are key to understanding and managing cats' natural behaviors. Scratching is a basic need that helps them keep their nails in good condition, stretch, and release tension. Punishing them or trying to suppress this instinct only creates confusion and stress. Instead, it is important to provide them with appropriate options to satisfy this need. Declawing also has an impact on the relationship between the cat and its owner. A cat that suffers the consequences of this surgery can become fearful or even aggressive, which affects the bond of trust that should exist. Instead of strengthening the relationship, declawing creates emotional distance and a tense atmosphere in the home. It is essential to understand that having a cat implies accepting and respecting its nature. Furniture can be replaced, but the physical and emotional well-being of a cat is priceless. Choosing humane and responsible alternatives not only demonstrates love and compassion, but also contributes to a harmonious and happy coexistence. Declawing is not a solution, it is a mutilation that condemns cats to a life of pain and limitations. As responsible owners, it is our duty to seek solutions that respect the dignity and well-being of these wonderful animals. Understanding their needs and adapting our home to meet them is the true test of love for them. The path to a happy and healthy coexistence must always be based on respect and empathy. If you have any questions or would like to delve deeper into any other aspect of cat behavior or care, do not hesitate to ask. We are here to help you. I'm glad you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.